Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today, we are discussing a crucial topic that affects everyone who uses Gmail and Microsoft 365 online security. The Tycoon 2FA. Recently, a threat has emerged in the cyber world, and it goes by the name of Tycoon 2FA. This phishing kit is causing quite a stir because it has the potential to compromise even the accounts that have two factor authentication set up. Understanding two factor authentication. You might be wondering what exactly is 2FA? Well, it's one of the most effective way to protect your online accounts. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring not only your password but also a second form of verification such as a code sent to your phone. However, Tycoon 2FA has found a way to bypass this safeguard. How Tycoon 2FA works? So, how does this new threat work? Let's break it down. The Tycoon 2FA attack typically begins with a phishing email. This email might contain a QR code or a link that appears to be legitimate. When you interact with it, you are taken to a fake website designed to mimic a Microsoft or Gmail login page. The deceptive tactics of phishing attacks. Here is where it gets tricky. Once you have entered your credentials on the fake page, the phishing kit can generate a fake 2FA prompt on your phone. If you are not paying close attention, you might not realize that something is amiss until it's too late. Identifying the threat. This sophisticated attack was first identified by Sequoia Threat Detection and Research Team. They discovered that Tycoon 2FA is being used by hackers to target Microsoft 365 and Gmail accounts specifically. And the worst part? These attacks are happening more frequently than ever before. How to protect yourself against Tycoon 2FA? Now, you might be feeling a bit concerned about online security. Don't worry, you're not alone. It's natural to feel uneasy when faced with such threats. But there are steps you can take to protect yourself. First, stay vigilant. First and foremost, stay vigilant. Be wary of emails or messages from unknown senders, especially if they contain links or attachment. If something seems suspicious, don't click on it. Instead, report it to your email provider or IT department. Second, enable two factor authentication. Additionally, make sure to enable 2FA on all of your accounts. If you haven't already done so, while it may not provide foolproof protection against Tycoon 2FA and other sophisticated attacks, it can still serve as an important line of defense. Partner with Orage Technologies. At Orage Technologies, we understand the importance of online security. That's why we offer a range of IT solutions designed to keep your data safe and secure. From email encryption to network monitoring, we got you covered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital world.